Hello everyone! In this video, I will share the kanji for bird. Kanji is derived from the form like this. At first, please remember the kanji of bird. Tori, 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 tori. Did you remember this kanji, tori? And could you make sure where the eye of bird is in this kanji? Try your best to remember it, please. Then today's main point will be from now on. Let's start. The first kanji is naku, naku, naku. Can you try to guess what this means? Kuchi means mouth. It derived from the form of mouth. Naku consists of kuchi, mouth, and tori, bird. Did you get the meaning of naku? It means to make animal sounds. For example, in bird's case, it will be tweet or sing. In dog's case, it will be bark. In cat's case, it will be meow. In lion's case, it will be roar, and etc. You cannot use this kanji, naku, for human. If you want to say human sounds, the pronunciation is the same, naku, naku, naku. But kanji is different. We use this kanji, naku, for human. Let's go to the next. Next kanji is this one. First of all, can you tell the difference between tori and this kanji? If you cannot find it, look at this kanji again. Tori has an eye, but this kanji doesn't have an eye. Can you guess the meaning of this kanji? The answer is bang, crow. We call karasu, 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 karasu. You know, the crow is all black color and we cannot tell where eyes are. So this kanji, karasu, doesn't have an eye. Does this make sense? The final kanji will be hato, hato. This kanji consists of Q and tori, bird. Q is kanji of 9. It pronounces ku or Q. In this kanji, its pronunciation will be important. What kind of birds cry like coo? Of course, the answer is pigeon. Coo. We called hato, 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 hato. How was this video? Did you enjoy yourself? If you like this video, please subscribe this channel, Koyata Japan channel. Your reaction will be my motivation for making the next. If you'd like to know more about me, please watch the video Koyata's Katsuben World. That is my introduction. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.